Another normal morning. Nothing strange at all.
Send me the report.
On it now. On it.
On it.
Just a few more things to finish. We had no idea, none of us did.
What was that? Ugh. This can't be happening! The streets! They were breaking apart!
Watch out!
Please! Stop! I thought I wouldn't make it! The market! It turned into chaos in seconds!
Move! Go! Go!
The market! It turned into chaos in seconds!
Move! Go! Go!
The whole office was coming down!
Get away from the ceiling! And then everything went black. The whole roof just fell in. Whoa, look out!
Get back!
We interrupt this broadcast with breaking news. The situation is still developing.
We are confirming a major earthquake, and this is a developing situation.
Oh no. Oh no. It's everywhere now.
Alerts were everywhere, but it was already too late.
Clear the route. Move out. It's finally coming.
Is anyone alive? Call out.
We've got you. You're safe now. Thank you. You saved me.
You're safe now. We've got you.
The roads were gone. Everything broken.
way! Move!
You're safe now. Stay with us.
Here, take this. You're not alone.
Thank you, truly.
The silence. It was louder than the quake.
This is the true face of a massive earthquake.